Hello. We are outside of Medellin, and check this out. We just got done riding through the fog with Chuck and Paul. What do you guys think?
Oh,
Absolutely.
outstanding. It was like being out of this world, man. It's to describe it is like riding through heaven, man.
Yeah, I always say it's like riding through a dream.
Yeah.
Check out where we are. Turn around. Boom. Look at this view. It's crazy out here.
You're so high up, you're riding through clouds.
Yeah, we were riding through clouds just now. It's so beautiful.
In the clouds.
Here's a little old abandoned building. We're going to climb up on the roof and check out the view. And here are the bikes. You got some full-on adventure prep bikes, Honda XRE 300s. Come on down, everybody. Go for a ride. Check out this view. It's crazy.
You've got to come and ride here.
Huh?
You've got to come and ride here. If you only do this once in your life, this is what you have to do.
Yeah.
Besides anything else in Medellin.
It's straight
And
beautiful.
if you like food, be prepared.
Yippee. Yippee. But check out the view of the fog rolling through. It's so cool. Try to, yeah, it's so cool out here. It's so beautiful. Yeah, let's go climb up on the roof and see what we got going on. Up this old abandoned building, and we're gonna check out the view.
That's our ladder right there to climb up on top of the building.
I couldn't say it better myself. There's the ladder.
Yep, there it is. Colombian ladder. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Wow, worth the climb. It's unbelievable. You can see it up here. It just cracks into it. You're just like hole in heaven. Unbelievable.
I think I'm gonna go up now. Wonder if I can do this while I'm filming. Oh. I did it. Wow. Here's the bikes down there. Check out this view, my dudes. Crazy. See the mountains out there.
I'm gonna take his advice and turn the camera and try that.
So there's a little tiny town down here. We're gonna go around the road and we're gonna have some more coffee down there and chill out and check out this road that we're gonna take. Here's this little mountain road. Almost no traffic out here.
Surprise.